Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry. Today, I'm happy to introduce you our PVC pipe bending machine. This is our new model for maximum 250mm pipe, and this machine with a double heating system, and the pipe diameter can be from 110 to 250mm. The pipe length can be from 900mm to 2500mm. This machine with double side socketing system, and the pipe angle can be from 22 to 90 degree. This is the machine heating system. It is with double heating station with ceramic heater. Before it moves to the bending position, it must be heating the pipe soft, and then move to this bending position. Next, let's look at the bending position and the socketing position. After the pipe is heating, it will move to the bending position, and the double side clamping part will hold the pipe, and then the bending mode will move down. Now let's look at the bending mode. The bending mode is made of aluminum, and it including the up and the low part. When the pipe moves from the heating position to the bending position, the two sides will clamping the pipe, and the bending mode will clamping. After that, the pressurized air will blow the pipe, make the pipe precise. The double side socketing, it can make U-type, Z-type, and rubber ring type.